Maybe you've been telling yourself, I'll start when I feel better. I'll try again when I'm more confident. I'll move forward when I'm finally healed. But what if healing doesn't happen before life continues? What if you're allowed to be healing and move forward at the same time? If you've been waiting to feel completely okay before you begin again, this video is for you. Welcome back to Just Breathe. It's okay. This is your reminder that you don't have to have everything figured out to keep moving forward. And today, I want to talk to you about something that I think a lot of us need to hear. You don't have to be fully healed before you're allowed to live your life. Sometimes we imagine healing like a destination. We think one day we'll wake up and suddenly nothing will hurt anymore. We'll never doubt ourselves. We'll never get overwhelmed. We'll never think about what happened. And then we'll finally be ready to live. But healing doesn't usually work that way. Sometimes you're doing better, and then you have a difficult day. Sometimes you're confident, and then an old insecurity comes back. Sometimes you think you moved past something, and then it hurts again. That doesn't erase your progress. It doesn't mean you're back at the beginning. It means you're human. You can still be figuring things out and go back to school. You can still be rebuilding your confidence and apply for the opportunity. You can still be afraid and try something new. You can still have difficult days and create a life you love. Healing and living don't have to happen separately. They can happen together. Maybe that's what moving forward actually looks like. Not becoming fearless, but learning that fear doesn't always get to make your decisions. Sometimes, after burnout or a difficult season, we desperately want to become the person we used to be. The person who had more energy, more confidence, more motivation. But maybe you're not supposed to go backwards. Maybe you're becoming someone new. Someone who understands their limits. Someone who knows when to rest. Someone who asks for help sooner. Someone no longer believes productivity determines their worth. You didn't lose yourself. You're still discovering yourself. You can be proud and still struggling. You can be hopeful and still scared. You can be healing and still have bad days. Two things can be true at the same time. You don't need to wait until everything feels perfect. Give yourself permission to live in the middle. So if you've been waiting for some future version of yourself to finally be ready, I want you to remember this. You don't have to be completely healed to take the next step. You don't have to be fearless. You don't have to feel like the old you. You just have to be willing to meet yourself where you are today. Take a deep breath. You're still healing and you're still moving forward. Both count. If this spoke to you today, my next video is about what happens when healing feels painfully slow. I'll meet you there.